Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to check plugin compatibility with WordPress version. Before starting, like as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write plugin compatibility checker. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. So this plugin check compatibility with WordPress latest version. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see plugin compatibility checker. Now you see we don't update plugin. So first you will update all plugin. So click on it and then you see check your plugin compatibility. WordPress version 6.7.1, PHP version 8.0, plugin install 26, plugin active 22, and then you see plugin inactive 4, and then you see you are already having the latest version of WordPress. Filter by plugin status. Now you see plugin name, current plugin version, latest plugin version. Now you see compatible with WordPress version. Now you see 6.7.1, supported PHP version. Again you see plugin status. Also you see updatable with latest version of WordPress, issue resolved. You see all detail and then you see contact form 7. We don't update it yet. Now you see current plugin version, latest plugin version, compatibility 6.7.1, and then you see Elementor Pro no data deactivated. Also you see status. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.